Hello, hello class. Good morning or good afternoon wherever you are. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up and install Nessus Essential, right? So earlier, that is a vulnerability scanning in Kali Linux, okay? So I just downloaded, I just go to this website. It's called Tenable Download, okay? This is the website, tenable.com/download/Nessus, and then you have question mark login attempted equal to true, and I download the Linux Ubuntu AMD 64, right? This is the latest version, Nessus 10.11 as of February 2026 or spring semester, okay? So if you may download it in the later time, you need to adjust with the version, all right? So usually they update it in the on regular basis. Once you download the program, what you need to do is to go to the command prompt and go to CD download here, right? As you can see that I have a CD download. Let me see if I can make it this bigger here. And then I'm gonna go to CD download, and then as you can see, I have the Nessus Dead 10.11. All right, so I'm gonna depack that or unzip this, okay? Because this is we have to install this using the command called sudo, right? I'm gonna go to sudo. I'm going to sudo and then dpkg depack hyphen interactive, and then I just gonna copy this one right here. Let me see if I can highlight this. Control C, no, right click, copy selection. Hold on, I'm gonna run this sudo dpkg -i, and then I'm gonna paste this one here and then enter. Install that, right? Kali. All right, so that may take some time. Okay, once you finish install, say all the pass, right? Let's go to run the Nessus services, right? To make sure everything is start up. So system, let me see, system ctl start Nessus D. They ask me again for the password, Kali. All right, so once you have that, we're gonna check, see if the service is running, right? So I'm gonna run this command, service Nessus D status. Now you can see it's active and running. All right. So now after I install this, let's go to the browsers, right? I'm gonna go to the browser. Let's go to the https://kali.8834. Okay, they ask you for security risk. I'm gonna go to advanced and then click accept the risk. Okay, now we go to the next step, right? Let me see the next one. We go to click continue. We're gonna click continue, and we're gonna use this register Nessus Essential because we're gonna use this one. This is the free version, which is a short-term evaluation, right, for small network, because we just want to sell this. Set up Nessus Essential Plus for education. I actually, since I work for the school, I already have this. So let me see if I can using this one. Otherwise, you have to use this one. All right. So I'm gonna click here. Activation code. I have my activation code. Let me see. Where's my activation code? Here I have my activation code A. So let me pause this one. Okay. I just enter my activation code, okay, because I'm using the educational one, so I have the activation code. So I believe as a student, you can also register as a student, right? Because they support student, so that way you can get 1 year. I think the license is for 1 year, but you can double check. Otherwise, you need to select the previous version, register for Nessus Essential, the regular one. Okay, so for the password, let me see. For the username, here I will use. I will create a username for Nessus. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Let me create this one. Administ. Let me see. I'm gonna use this administrator, and the password I'm gonna use password. Okay, okay. But in the production level, maybe you want to create a difficult username and password. Okay, so but for the purpose of the video demonstration, I created administrator and password here. Click enter, submit. Okay, no, not now, and setup is complete. Now they're installing the Tenable Nessus. I don't know how long will this take. Maybe it take gonna be I don't know how long will the installation last. So this may take at least 15 minutes probably, depending on your processor speed of your host machine and how much memory that you allocate for the Kali Linux. So I will pause this video, and once it's completed, I will let you know. All right. See you in a bit here. Okay, my installation is actually work. So it takes about 10 minutes in my using my office computers. Okay, so if you have a slower computer, maybe it takes a little bit longer. So welcome to Essential Plus. Okay, so I'm going to remind me later, but this is going to show you how to do this. Let me see. Okay, interactive one. Creating a hosting. Well, this is a good one. This is a good way to learn if you are new to this program. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right here for the video, so at least you know how to install Nessus vulnerability scanning essential in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful week. Bye bye.